and now I will show you. Look, decorations. You see? What do you think? Oh yes, I quite agree. Oh, hello! I am so glad that you have made it. This is my friend, Spider. Spider, please meet my friends. Yes. Now, I have invited Spider and you today because I am sad. And one of the best things to do when you are sad, at least if you are like me, is to spend time with friends. Yes. And also to decorate for your favorite holiday. You see, I got a little pumpkin, got a little sparkle ball, and a little shiny ball in Halloween colors, of course. Now, I know the calendar says fall is a long way off and Halloween is even longer, but I have seen leaves on the ground and grass that is brown. So for me, Halloween is around. Let's say rhyme. Is it good? Yes, it is good. My friend Spider always knows. Very good poet. Now, why am I sad? Well, perhaps you are also sad for a similar reason, but I will tell you. The garden failed. It failed before it really started. Yes, the little sprouts. The little sprouts. Yes, they were eaten by slugs. And I love these slugs. They are so cute. But I do not like it when they eat my pumpkins and my radishes and my beets and various other things. And they ate all of them. And so, what have I been doing this whole time? Well, I have been sad. You see, I am a scarecrow, and this is my job, to take care of gardens, to watch the plants as they grow their first leaves, and they stretch out in the sun, and they say, yay, it's sunshine. And when the rain comes, they say, yay, oh, it's rain. I love it. I have a drink. And they soak up their nutrients from the soil, and it is so lovely. And, well, yes, I am called a scarecrow, but really, I simply talk with the crows and tell them which plants perhaps they should avoid. I make sure to give them peanuts. This is how you become friends with crows. Yes. And so this is a very important part of my life. And this year it did not happen. So I am very sad. And fall is here, which is when we would be pulling up the pumpkins and all the other plants. And that will not happen. Now, what can we do about this? Well, for me, hang out, dive into things that I love. I may not have my own pumpkins to harvest, but I have this little friend here, and there will be pumpkins in stores. Yes, but I also worry about the future. What if next year's garden fails? The weather has been unpredictable, and so sometimes it is only tomatoes that survive, or perhaps kale. There was pumpkin shortage. Yes. Well, I don't know if you worry about these things, but I do. I think, most important of all, I will spend time with the things I love, and I will do some deep breathing and take time to enjoy what is there. In fact, I always like to invite my friends to come and do deep breathing with me. It is so nice. So I will invite you now. And you too, okay? Yes, I hope you are all ready. Yes? Well, you can stop a moment if you need to. And then come back. Okay? Okay. It is fun to say words like that sometimes. Okay. All right. Now we're going to take a deep breath. I will do the counting, so you do not have to worry. We will do 2 of them. All right? Yes. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you did so good. Let us do it once more. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, now, I hope you feel more peaceful. And perhaps if you do not feel happy, for I do not feel quite happy like normal, at least you will feel better. And sometimes that is all that we need to get through the day. Well, my friends, this visit, I'm afraid, is coming to an end. Yes, my spider friend and I are going to look around for more decorations that are not the actual plants, to put around to remind us of happiness and that Halloween is coming. Thank you very much for joining me. Goodbye. Goodbye.